Okay class, let's solve the first question of this week. So the first question for this week is going to be from chapter 9. So let's read through the question. We have a figure 1 with the graph of acceleration against displacement. Figure 1 shows the relationship between the acceleration and its displacement from a fixed point for a body of mass 2.5 kilogram with execute simple harmonic motion. Okay, determine the amplitude, the period, big T, the maximum speed, Vmax, and also the total energy of the body. Okay, so first we look at the graph that we have. Okay, so from the graph we know that we have the value of maximum displacement for, okay, this is maximum displacement. And also we have the value of, okay, the highest acceleration. So this is the value of acceleration maximum. Okay, so let us answer the question. For A, we want to find amplitude. So basically our amplitude is equal to maximum displacement, and in this case it is equal to 4 cm. And for B, okay, we want to know the period. We can get the period from the information of A max. As we know, the equation of A max is equal to A omega squared, and omega is equal to A 2 pi over period squared. Okay, so now we substitute all the values. You may first rearrange the equation, so it's up to you. So if we rearrange the equation, we have A max is equal to A 4 pi squared over T squared. Okay, then you can have T is equal to A 4 pi squared over A max. Okay, and you substitute the values, you'll have, okay, make sure your maximum amplitude, you put it in SI unit, 4 pi squared over our A max is 0.8 squared. Then finally you have period is 1.4 second. And for C, okay, this is the solution for C. Okay, we want to get the maximum speed, so basically we'll use the equation of V maximum is equal to plus minus A omega, and we know the equation of omega is equal to 2 pi over period. We substitute the values. Okay, we'll get, okay, we use the period that we have got from the previous question, and Vmax is equal to 0.179 meter per second. So that is our value of maximum velocity. And for D, to get the value of total energy, we'll use the equation E is equal to half m omega squared A squared. Okay, again we substitute the values, 2.5, 2 pi over period, 1.4 squared, and amplitude is 4 times 10 to minus 2 squared. Then you'll have your total energy as 0.04 joule.